Hello folks, before we get started, I'm Richard Fontenay, and I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now that's what I said folks, $10,000 a month. Now this is massive opportunity, so if you are interested, make sure you click that first link in the description below. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, Max Gerstenmaier. Three very accomplished internet marketers in their own right. Be sure to click that first link to see what it's all about. Now let's get back to the review. You can start and you can grab the product in that second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'll give you my 5-star bonuses. Bonus number 1, this document explains how you can drive traffic after you purchase a PLR, just like this one. It shows you how you can modify it and make it your own with tried and true techniques and strategies, and you can use this document to increase your sales. Bonus number 2, we'll show you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic so that you can make money online. And bonus number 3 shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. So if you get a high converting gig as an example, you buy it for someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then sell it to your buyer. Now, bonus number 4 shows you how to create a passive income. And this is a recurring passive income, so it's critically important that you understand that. And bonus number 5 shows you how to supercharge your online business so that you get results with an evolutionary system, getting up to $186 a day in 3 simple steps. And you can only spend 15 minutes a day maximum running the whole system. Now you also get a high converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now the vendors behind the Bold Business Ideas are 2 well-known product creators and vendors in the self-help niche, Jonathan Tang and Jason Yu. They provide instant content solutions to busy internet marketers. They are behind the brand Profit Experts. And Profit Experts have over 29,000 sales on Warrior Plus alone. So you should seriously consider this product for your coaching and training success. Now this is a huge package for those wanting to build an internet business. In a nutshell, Bold Business Ideas is really where ingenuity meets opportunity, so they say. It is a complete, ready-to-go training center with numerous impactful reports with 10 in-demand topics. Now, you get a whole bundle of stuff. You get 10 internet marketing reports, 10 pro sales funnels, 10 done-for-you lead capture pages, 10 affiliate recruitment centers. You get 20 pro delivery pages, 30 affiliate promotional emails, 50 e-cover designs, and 90 promotional banner graphics. A huge, huge opportunity here. Now, so what are the PLR packages you get with Bold Business Ideas? Well, here are the 10 packages. You get 10 tips to crowdfund your business, 10 ways to boost your online sales, 10 success tips for the new solopreneur. PLR package number 4 is a surefire side hustle profits. You get 7 steps to evaluate your big idea, 20 money-making ideas in the gig economy, 10 secrets to Amazon associate success, and 10 profitable Amazon associate niche ideas to start off with, 10 passive income ideas to secure your future, and 20 e-commerce secrets for new entrepreneurs. A huge, huge package, folks. And I can't say enough about this one. All for the front end of $14.95. Can you believe that? $14.95. Now there are 4 upgrades and downsells, so be prepared for them. But all of them are great deals in their own right. So if you need to know more, click that second link below and get the full. And before I go, make sure you check out to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. And this is an important product, folks. So make sure you check it. And my 5 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, how to gain reoccurring income online easily, and how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And my way to drive traffic after you purchase a PLR product. Now, thanks for watching, folks. See you next time.